And this is part 6 out of the 2 parts. There's part 6 and part 7, and it helps you to make your app more like interactive and like the buttons can work. So the goal is that the screen will start out blue. So you have to add code so it turns green when you click the greenify button. So the first thing you need to do is add an on events box, function box. And inside that, you put the set property box grid. And you keep screen 1, but you put the background color as green because you want to make the background color to be green. And then you run this and you click greenify. So now you run it and you click greenify.
Line 2,
Line 2.
which does not access.
Oh, it's not. It shouldn't be ID. Wait. Apologies, guys. It shouldn't be ID. It should be screen 1. Now you run it. And yeah, that's it. So now the next level is part 2 of this.
Hold on. That is impressive. Before you go, hold on. So why was it not ID before? Do you know why do you have to change to screen 1?
Because the ID wasn't recognized.
Okay.
So
the ID wasn't recognized, so we had to change it.
Yeah, thank you so much. Because you can see the ID is saying screen 1 there, basically. So you have to know the particular object that you are putting your event on, which is very, very good. So in coding, you will find yourself making mistakes like this, and you just need to figure that out actually. Before you guys go ahead, can you show the code? If you click on show text, and we can see the code that we've written basically. Exactly. Thank you so much. So that is what we've been able to write right now. So we've set the properties of screen 1 from, and also the background is set to blue. On event, which is basically on click, right, of screen 1, we now set the property of that particular screen 1 to green. That is the code. That's what we've done basically. And this is a JavaScript that can work on anywhere. So if you want to set a property of a screen, you just need to know the screen. Then you set it to the background, and that's it. Thank you so much for that. So, okay, if you want to go to the next screen.
Okay. So this is part 2 out of Make It Interactive, and is the final one. And this time, the goal is to help finish this flashlight app. The on button already turns the screen white, so we're going to run the app to try this out. So now we need to write code so the off button makes the screen black again. So we're going to add the empty function to the workspace, the on event one. And then we're going to put that sets background color with a set property 1 that sets. And we want to change the background color to of the screen to black. But since it's not there, you type it in. And now we want to change this on events off button to screen, because you don't want to change the off button. You want to.
Brilliant. Thank you.
You want to change the screen. So now we're going to add the next one, add another set property ID because we want the flashlight app to still be white, because if it's black then it matches everything and you won't be able to see it in the dark. So now you will put set property to label. And you'll change the text color to white. And now you would run this. You would reset it, and now you would run it. So you can click the on, and it'll turn white. Click the off.
There's a bit of a problem here.
Can you just excuse us? We have a bit of a problem.
Okay, this happens in programming. You don't need to panic. Actually, sometimes you have to fix your code. Actually, so in this session, we're going to be working together to fix the code. That is called pair programming, because sometimes 2 eyes is better than 1. So maybe sometimes you can be looking at it, don't see what the mistake you make. So other people can be able to help you. So that is the concept of this particular club. We're going to look at it together. If anyone actually know what the issue is, so they can actually, say it.
Yeah,
we decided to fix the issue. And the issue was that I accidentally put the screen 1 in the on event box instead of putting the screen 1 in the first set property box.
That is brilliant. I'm impressed.
Show the code. And this is the code for this is the text for the code. So this is the text.
The code.
This is the text.
This is the code if you're to type it up.
Yeah, that's okay. That's okay. Sometimes this also happens to me. Also, sometimes you want to say the right terminology, you want to say code, you want to say, but that's okay. We're going to get there later, actually, which is fine. It's okay if you say text is code, but to be honest, we understand what you mean. Thank you so much, Eunice, for that. So, who is next?
Me.
Okay, please, Ashley.
So now we're gonna.
I'm gonna log into